Hello students, welcome for the subject physics and welcome for the concept angle of contact. This is angle of contact is for the as if water is taken in a glass beaker and if capillary is deep in the glass beaker, that time water rises in the capillary. See the diagram. This is glass container and a capillary tube is deep in a glass beaker. That time liquid rises in the capillary at a certain height and the shape of meniscus is concave. This is shape of meniscus is concave. It is possible only when capillary is deep in a water or when capillary is deep in a kerosene. That time liquid rises in that capillary tube at a certain height. That time concave shape created. This is called as the concave meniscus. Now we have to learn about angle of contact. If we draw the tangent, at a curved part of that meniscus, it means that this is tangent at the curved part of the meniscus. It makes an angle with all of the capillary tube. This is tangent. It drawn at the curved part of the liquid surface at the point of contact. With the all of the container. It means that angle of contact is defined as angle made by the tangent to the curved part of the liquid surface at the point of contact measured inside the liquid. And this angle of contact we have to measure in between tangent and all of the capillary tube. This is called as the angle of contact. When capillary tube is deep in a water, that time angle of contact is acute angle. Angle of contact is acute angle. Listen carefully the definition of angle of contact. Angle of contact is defined as tangent. This is the angle between tangent and all of the capillary tube. Angle made by the tangent to the curved part of the liquid surface at the point of contact measured inside the liquid with all of the capillary tube. Now, second situation, if mercury is taken in a glass beaker, we know that mercury cannot stick to the glass beaker or it cannot stick to the capillary tube. As the capillary tube is deep in a mercury, as mercury does not stick to the capillary tube, it depresses down so that meniscus is convex. And it is possible for mercury. Now we have to draw tangent. This is tangent and we have to measure angle through the liquid so that in this way angle of contact is obtuse angle. Definition is same. Angle made by the tangent to the curved part of the liquid surface at the point of contact measured inside the liquid with all of the capillary tube. Now this is obtuse angle. For mercury it may be 140 degree or 135 degree. So that angle of contact for water is acute angle and angle of contact for the mercury is obtuse angle. Angle of contact for pure water and clean glass is 0 degree. Angle of contact for pure water and clean glass is 0 degree. Angle of contact for glass container, clean glass container, or angle of contact for mercury and clean glass is 140 degree. If sugar is added in a water, that time angle of contact is also 0 degree. Question asked for examination is that define angle of contact and explain. You have to define angle of contact. You have to draw the two diagrams. In first situation, you have to taken water in a glass beaker. In second situation, you have to taken mercury in a glass beaker. For water, there is angle of contact, acute angle, and for mercury, angle of contact is obtuse angle. What is difference between two diagrams? The difference between two diagrams is, in this situation for the water, there is acute angle. For mercury, there is obtuse angle. Okay. For the water, there is concave meniscus, and for the mercury, there is convex meniscus. That is difference between the two diagrams.